Huh? What is it?
Good picture.
Look at this, oh. It's ito kasi ibang klase eh. Cute na nito eh. Oo, you want it?
No.
You
Are you selling now?
Saka yung kita dyan eh. You know what? Kasi actually, I have. Lucky, meron na. Pero natuwa ako sa color. Kasi sabi ko, ayan. Alam mo ba silang lahat sa kabila pag ganito? Kasi
Ginamigay mo?
ito na nga lang na pera sa dozen.
Dozen? 65? Nakakainis.
Hindi lang ako tumawad. Hindi lang ako tumawad. Kasi sabi ko,
oo nga. Saan? Sa 168 pa?
Oh my gosh. You get it na?
No, lang.
Hindi na, it's alright.
I love
you can just use this.
Hindi rin dapat brown or white lang, no? Neutral. Mumukha na naman akong Timmy Bopper. Diba? Si Bako.
Yeah. You want to try it out? Huh?
I have.
Yeah,
but
on paper.
I'll get paper and then you can try
Different colors.
Wow. Those are nice, Jack, because it has different colors.
It's in the art section.
I wonder if it's still wet. Art set?
Oh, your notebook.
Okay, you know better. Mommy, I forgot. Oh, it's dry na yan. Ano, there's still ink. You bought in DV? Did you go with your mom? Yeah? Where were you yesterday? I was looking for you.
You know the notebook is not here? Not here, but not sorry. I did see it.
Can I bite your cheeks? Joking
Pabait ka,
only.
Pabait ka? Oh, that's so nice.
There, wow, nice notebook naman.
I know you Nina Ginger, you give him a word and then you ask him what letter it starts with.
How about this one?
What is that?
The for? Oh, good.
This one.
What is that? Can you see? I don't know what it is.
The horse. Horse. The rocking horse. Horse.
Okay.
So what letter?
Dalagi ko na nga eh.
What letter?
Rocking.
I don't know.
The rocking. What letter does it start with? Rocking.
R.
How about the horse?
No wonder you have stamp.
H.
Ang galing mo. Na-skip na yung sound. Basta direksyon na.
Hindi, alam mo bakit?
Nas mind ko.
Madami lang siya. I downloaded Leapfrog.
Ay,
Those
Leapfrog.
videos. Alam mo ba, after one,